Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have the Casper pillow. So if you've heard of these Casper beds, which I have, which this is not, but I've been on those Casper beds and they're so comfortable, I figured, okay, let me try this Casper pillow and see how it works. So let's check this thing out. I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I have queen size beds, so I got the standard size, but I guess they make a king size one too. And I got it on Prime Day, so it was kind of a deal. I don't even remember what I got for it, but I paid for it. So let's see what we got here. So that's it. It comes with some sort of card. Let's see what the card says anyways. Casper, meet your pillow, blah, blah, blah. Questions, we got your back. Okay, so information. This is what it comes in. It comes in a little tied up like the beds do too. I've seen those. Let's open this up. And this is it as it expands. So kind of nice. It's got the little under penalty thing. And it's got a little bit of weight to it, but really not too bad. And it's already cushy and feels good. I can feel the foam inside of it. And I'll be sleeping on this tonight. So I'll kind of update in the comments and let you guys know how it is. But I mean, it looks good to me. I've been using a lot of those like $3 pillows from Walmart, which just really stink. And they don't last very long. So I'm gonna hope this one lasts a really long time compared to those. I mean, if it lasts, the other ones last me in like a month or two. So hopefully this will last me a long time. And it looks like it's gonna be nice and comfy. It's got a lot of padding to it, so it's kind of, I would say, like not a firm, but a medium pillow. It's not soft and it's not firm, so it's like a medium one. And maybe as it expands more, it'll get a little bit more firm, but it seems pretty good. So I like it. So thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.